Riddhi Doshi Patel, a practicing child psychologist and parenting counselor. Today we are talking about the most important skill which every child needs to possess, yet they are very scared about it. How to create friendships. Just few weeks back, I had a child coming to me and saying it loudly as soon as he entered my office, says, "Auntie, tomorrow my school is reopening. What if nobody sits with me on the bench? What if nobody shares the dippa with me? What, auntie, if they don't talk to me?" Well, this is something which every child faces. You need to help your child to understand that sometimes just saying a hi with a smile also makes a huge difference. Those small way of connecting matters a lot. Second important tip here is listening is as important as talking. So sometimes ask your child to just listen while any of his classmates are talking. It's important to be a good listener. Third, asking open-ended questions like, what is your hobby? What is your favorite game? And then saying, let's do it together, also can prove magical in creating strong friendships. Well, creating friendship is a very slow process. So tell your child to be patient. I hope this helps, parents.